Hi guys, today I will show you how to create faceless fitness routine videos using Pictory AI. Take a look at this fitness YouTube channel. They have 500,000 subscribers and millions of views on their channel, earning almost 1,800 every month. So in this video, I will teach you how to make faceless fitness routine videos using Pictory AI. If you follow along, you could potentially earn thousands of dollars every month. Make sure to watch this video until the end to learn everything. So let's start the video. Go to ChatGPT and input your video topics. ChatGPT will generate a video script for you. Next, go to Google Docs or any text editor and refine your video script. Then open Pictory AI and click on the skip to video option. Paste your video script into this section and Pictory will create a video based on your script. However, you will need to make some adjustment to the video afterward, as Pictory AI may not always perfectly match the video visuals to your script.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Max, and today we're diving into a fitness routine specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're looking to get fit, lose weight, or just feel better in your body, this routine is perfect for you. So grab your water bottle and let's get started. Number 1. Warm up. First things first. Always warm up. A good warm-up helps prevent injuries and prepares your body for exercise. Let's spend about 5 minutes getting our blood flowing. Follow along with me. Perform the following warm-up exercises, demonstrating each one for 30 seconds. Arm circles, leg swings, high knees, torso twists, side lunges. Number 2. Main workout. Now that we're warmed up, it's time for the main workout. We'll focus on basic movements that target all major muscle groups. Let's do 30 seconds of each exercise with a 15-second rest in between. Ready? Let's go. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower down as if sitting in a chair, and push back up. Great for your legs and glutes. Push-ups. Start on your knees if you need to. Keep your body straight and lower down, then push back up. Works your chest and arms. Plank. Get into a plank position. Elbows under shoulders and body straight. Hold for 30 seconds. This strengthens your core. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes. Hold for a second at the top. Jumping jacks. Classic cardio move. Let's get that heart rate up. Repeat the circuit 2-3 times based on your comfort level. Section 3. Cool down. Awesome job, everyone. Now, let's cool down. Cooling down helps your body recover. Follow along with these stretches. Forward fold. Bend at your hips and reach for your toes. Hold for 15-30 seconds. Child's pose. Kneel down. Sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Breathe deeply. Cat-cow stretch. On all fours, alternate between arching your back and rounding it. Great for the spine. Seated hamstring stretch. Sit with one leg extended. Reach for your toes. Switch sides. Great job today, everyone. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate this routine into your week, and you'll see progress in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. Comment below how you felt after this workout and what you'd like to see next. Thanks for working out with me today, and I'll see you next time.